I should probably put my teeth back in, but I'm going to just tell you after the cleaning, after a couple days rest, I'm going to figure out whether I'm going to take my tap and die set and my 6.5 liner upper and use the 5/8 by 24 tap or die and see about putting threads on that 6.5 PRC. Because if I go heavier bullets than this, that thing's going to really rock me. And it's got Magnum powder in it. It's got like 52 grains of H1000. I can go all the way up to like 50, 54 or 55 grains in it with no problem. The problem isn't the powder. The problem is the heavier the bullets, the more the kick. That's the problem. What I did is I messed up my shoulder and I messed up my bicep. I blew a tendon in my bicep that connects to the shoulder. Back in like 90, I basically hurt my shoulders and all weightlifting. I lifted like 400 and some pounds. I squatted like 400 and some. I was trying to be He-Man, but I really screwed up. That is 6.5 by 284. That is 6.5 Creedmoor. These two take H4350 loads, what you'd use in a 6mm for the type of powder. This is a 6.5 PRC. It takes H1000. It's had more rounds than these two because I tested it more for my shoulder. This was all the cleaning of the 6.5s. I'm going to do the 22 and 223 too. I'll have two more here to show you. These two, that one there is a 223 and this one is a 22 long rifle. The dirtier one in the smaller patches is a 22 long rifle. The other ones here are the old patches that I just did the video on.